Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money using Clickbank direct linking and this totally free traffic source. It's a bit sneaky, so please stay on. This is the agenda of the video. We will learn how to find a product to promote. I will show you one of the free traffic methods that many people are using, and there is a lot of videos about it on YouTube, but in my opinion it's not that good, and I will show you why. Then I will prepare a double offer tactic. You will see what that is, and of course at the end of the video you will find a proper free traffic source you can use to promote your double offer and make some money using Clickbanks. So without further ado, let's go. So what is Clickbank? Clickbank is one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world, and the best thing about Clickbank is you can start promoting without requesting to be approved. All you need to do is create an account. When you log in for the first time after creating an account, we will not show you that, it's pretty simple, you just enter your details into the form. So when you log in the upper part of the Clickbank there is this link marketplace. You click it and you will come to something that's looking like this. On the left side you see the categories. Today we will do the diets and weight loss category, and when you click the diet and weight loss category you can order your products or affiliate offers by gravity. Gravity simply means how many affiliates have sales of that product in the latest period. So you can see there are few interesting products here, and the amount of people promoting is pretty high. Some of the products have this recurring commission, which means that if you sell it and the customer stays on, you will get a monthly recurring commissions. We want to find a product that its sales page shouldn't be very salesy, because people don't like the salesy or to be sold something. So we have to find a product that gives value and doesn't look like they're trying to sell you something. So if you look the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program, which average conversion is $27, and if we take a look how the sales page look, as soon as you go a little down you will see it's just trying to sell you something. There is no real value. Maybe this product is good, but probably you will not reach a lot of sales with the method that we will use today. So we will not use that one, but rather take a look at the 40-day rapid soup diet, the Superman of keto offers. Sales page looks like this, which is actually some interesting information, some testimonials, some more valuable stuff for people that are frustrated with their weight and want to lose it. And there is no any price ever until you of course come to the end and try to buy something. So we will use this one as our first offer. First thing you need to click this promote button. Sorry, I have it open somewhere. One moment. So you click this promote button, you enter your nickname if it's not here, mine is this one, and you generate a hop link. You copy this hop link, close this and put it in some kind of I already put it here, so you can use it later. And now to keep this video not too long, we will immediately choose this other product, which is called custom keto diet, which is basically like a quiz that you go through. You click daily activity levels, your sex and stuff, and then you get like a custom keto diet tailored to you. What we will do, we don't want this video here, so we will click the so-called JV page, which is this one, affiliate page, and when you click on it you will come to something like this. If you are asked for your name and email, please provide it, and then you will get to this page. Click on the create affiliate links and you can see different links here. So the idea is that you copy this end of this link, and when you click promote and generate hop links, you just add that to the end. So it looks like this, if you see here. So this is my promote link, and this is the value that we copied from that page. So if we test this in the browser, you will now see that it leads us to the page that doesn't have a video but just the quiz. So I will show you why we have two links in a moment. So if you want to use, the idea is that if somebody from the traffic source comes to your page, and for example our primary link will lead them to the 14-day rapid soup diet, and for some reason that diet or that page is not liked by that customer, you will add a link to the second offer on that page. I will show you how you can do that by using the tool called Snipply. So this is Snipply. You just go to the snip.le. It's free. You can use it for like 1,000 clicks, which is more than enough. How this works? There is a enter your URL at the top. So we will take the 14 days rapid soup diet link, copy it and put it here and click on create snip. What that will do, as you will see, the page will be loaded here, and this is our snip below. So basically we will lead traffic to Snipply snippet or URL, and they will read this page, but if they don't like it, we want to add our second offer down below here. You can use one brand here, so you go to the brand settings, upload your image to make it look better here. As we are selling keto stuff, I choose a keto image, and now we will just do the call to action, and the call to action will actually try to, okay, let's say do for example, don't like what you see, get your free custom keto diet plan. And you see it's live here. A button text will be click here to start the quiz. And the URL will be, of course, the custom diet URL that we copied here. Okay, so when we click continue, we can make it like a bean, which is a bit rounded, and click on finish CTA. So you can use this for free, you just cannot use the things that are locked on this page. So we click on finish call to action, and now we will copy this link and put it also in our document so we can easily find it here. Snipply link, and paste it here. If we want to see, we can use this link here, and you will understand how it's work. It opened our first affiliate link, and people are reading and they don't like it, and then they see this, don't like what you see, get your free custom keto diet plan, and when they click here they will be taken to the other affiliate link, which maybe they will like and probably buy something. So that's the idea. What I wanted to show you is one of the free traffic sources that people are using today. It's very ugly and, in my opinion, not too professional, but some people say it works. I tried it for the last month, and I will show you why I think it's not working. It's called Hercules, hercules.com. You just enter your email, and go to the free plan, and then once a day you can come here and submit an ad that will be sent to the 2,000 people on their 1,000 random members every day. You can put your subject, your ad body, and your link here, and you submit the ad. Why I think it's not that good is this. So if I go to my spam folder, you will see what is happening. All those emails that other people are sending through the ad mailer comes to my spam, and they are very unprofessional. When you click this, I don't know if you can imagine that someone would pay something or buy something from the email that looks like this. So let me show you a better way and a better free traffic source now. So the two free traffic sources I would suggest you try are Quora.com and Answers.com. Basically, they are big dictionaries with a lot of questions, and you can write the answers. For example, on Answers.com, I searched for lose weight and got 246,000 results, which is a lot. So basically, you just find the questions like, does eating chalk help you to lose weight? And you can answer something like this. So this is your link, and you would probably answer, so no, eating chalk will not help you to lose weight. I have found this simple and tasteful soup that can help you to lose weight. And then you enter your Snipply link here. I know it sounds spammy, and I agree, but you could probably do some research, and you need to write at least 100 words and give some value to the guy that is, or a girl that is asking these questions. For example, the first answer is no, eating chalk does not help you lose weight, which is obvious, but you can research a bit using Google and write a better answer that will probably make people click your link and add some traffic. Of course, this will take time, but it's totally free, and if you go and answer a lot of these questions here and also do a similar search on Quora and add your answers here, then there is a lot of chance that you will get a lot of free traffic to your link. So if you like this video, please don't hesitate to press that like button below, and if you want, you can subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you.